Welcome to CodeRush Feature of the Week. So Mark, what have we got this week?
Hey Rory, this week I'm going to show you a CodeRush code provider called Initialize.
Okay.
Initialize. What it does is it simply will initialize a variable, for example, this one right here, to essentially to its default value or the default initialization that you'd want. It would be like a non-null, in general, a non-null initialization. You can see here, if I hover over initialize here, so I hit the CodeRush key, which can be control dot or num0 if you've got those num0 keypad bindings options set, which you can get to in the CodeRush setup wizard right there, which you can get to here, or you might have it in the extensions menu, depending on where you are, what version of Visual Studio. At any rate, control dot brings it up, choose initialize, and there you go. You're done. Notice,
that's pretty good.
Notice the caret is right between the parens there, because I can actually pass in parameters to it. For example, its capacity or something along those lines.
And that's a fair thing to do, because CodeRush doesn't know which overload of the constructor you want to use, and it's obviously this is the most logical step for you or most logical position for you to be in to achieve that next step.
Another thing, Rory, you can do right here, Rory, if you want to get to the end of the line very quickly, is just hit the semicolon. Smart
semicolon bring you to the most, again, logical place at the end. So I'm done is kind of what you're saying with
exactly. Come down here. We can go down and choose initialize again. Gives a stir.empty. If you want to change that, you can do a selection increase if you want, like that. I just hit that selection increase one key once, and I can now replace that with a quote if I want to, something along those lines, like hello or whatever I want my initialization to be. Come down here again, choose the CodeRush key, choose initialize, and there you go. You get your default values. So, so it's not bad. That is not the only way that you can initialize things. There are templates for initializing variables as well. I'll put a link out at the end of this video so you can see more about those. And with that, I'd say that's it.
That's great. That's another couple ways to just simply initialize existing fields, get stuff done with proper syntax, and get you moving on to the next phase of your development. Thanks very much, Mark. We'll see you next week on CodeRush Feature of the Week.
For more Feature of the Week videos, click one of the two video links on screen or select from our playlist. Download and learn more about CodeRush from the DevExpress website. And be sure to subscribe to our channel to receive all the latest CodeRush feature videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.